I grew a boxing coach's TikTok from pretty much nothing to 9.8k followers with just 12 videos in a 1-hour filming session. So whether you want to grow an online presence so you can then sell online products, or you just want to use it as marketing to get new clients into your business, here's how you can obtain similar results yourself.
From 29 to 9.8k, let's go. So in terms of the camera I used an iPhone 11. I changed the settings to 4K 24 frames per second. So the way to do that, you just go to your settings, search camera, then you want to select this one. The tip I have when filming using an iPhone is to not cover the microphone. The microphone's often at the bottom of the phone, so try to hold the phone on the sides. If you have a newer iPhone, consider using cinematic mode. And in terms of the framing, I tried to be as close as possible while capturing everything. So that was around waist up or knees up, depending on what video we're filming. The reason is because I want to capture audio well, and I don't want to be too far away from the subject. In terms of the videos we recorded pretty much educational, beginner level videos targeted at his ideal customer. The reason why we did beginner level is because there's just generally more beginners out there. So if there's more beginners out there, they're more likely to watch our video. So if short form content is top of the funnel marketing, we want to make it as broad as possible, and therefore we can get more people watching our content and into our funnel if the videos are beginner level. So that's why. In terms of an intro video, we've made an intro video. We pinned it to the top of his profile. All this was him introducing himself, his name, what he does, his credentials. So I've been a boxing coach for X many years, something like that. And a call to action. Something like, if you want boxing training and you're in Auckland, send me a DM. Also, another video I didn't make, but I'd recommend a boxing gym create is how to get to the gym. Because sometimes going into a new fight gym can be a bit intimidating, and you just want to reduce the amount of anxiety by showing exactly where and how to get to the gym. In terms of the script, I tried to ask him to be as direct as possible. For example, this is how you breathe in boxing. The reason is because people don't know who you are, and they want to know what they're going to get out from this video from the very get-go. You don't want to introduce yourself and yarn and yarn and yarn when you can just get straight to the point. So hook was very direct. Hey guys, this is how you breathe in boxing. Hey guys, this is how you can improve your footwork in boxing. Very clear, very direct. At the end of the video, we didn't include a call to action. I think that's a good play at the beginning because you don't want to sell too much to your audience, even if it is just a follow. But if we were to keep going, definitely add a call to action. But this was just 12 videos on his TikTok and Instagram. All right, now I'm going to show you a video that went viral. It got 1.2 million views. And this was one of the main reasons why his channel did pretty well. So one video could really change your channel. Just one more video. All right, I want you to pay attention though in this video to the hook of this video, how the environment sub-communicates credibility. It's a boxing gym. I want you to note that this video was both entertaining and educational, because a purely educational piece of content doesn't do that well from my experience. People go to short form to escape reality almost, and if you provide them with more purely educational content, they kind of tend to scroll. So it's entertaining plus educational, which is ideal. And since this video was targeted at beginners, it has a large possible audience, even those that don't box. So
hey guys, this is how you breathe in boxing. Every punch, okay, you want to make a sound effect. Okay, for me, this is how I make my sound effect. Okay, so okay, short and snappy sound. Okay, so when you throw a combo, okay, just sounds like that. Okay, cool.
Cute laugh at the end. Great videography, if I can say so myself. All right, so as you can see, hook, simple, straight to the point, environment, credibility, educational and entertaining, and a large possible audience. And also, there were a lot of comments about people saying their own little thing they say when they swing, like Muay Thai fighters. Ui! Something that Muay Thai fighters commonly say. Got over 2,000 likes that comment. So it generates a lot of engagement as well. And engagement's good. People stay on longer. It's just good. All right. So in terms of editing and posting, I edited on Final Cut Pro and I hand typed out all the captions. Now there's CapCut where you can auto-generate captions. So I'd probably use that. I'd also remove the pauses. You don't want any gaps in short form content. And I added a few emojis. If you want to learn how you can do the same thing with CapCut, which is a much faster process than typing all the captions out by hand on Final Cut Pro, check out this video. I'll link it somewhere here. In terms of posting, we posted on alternate days, and we reposted the most viewed video, the viral one, at the end of the campaign again. We posted around 5 to 6 p.m. New Zealand time, and we posted a mix of popular and less popular hashtags. I don't think this is that important anymore. In terms of the caption, we tried to write keywords in the caption because TikTok is a slightly searchable platform. All right, final tips. Give it time and be consistent. Although we posted every alternate day for like a month or so, it took a while to get to 9.8k. Yeah, it took a while before the algorithm kind of picked up on that piece of content and pushed it out. And, you know, just one piece of content could really change your brand. Although a few other pieces of content really did well as well, obviously. But this one video really pushed it out there. It might be a bit harder to grow in today's climate. This was done maybe end of last year. So it might need a bit more strategy and more volume than 12 videos nowadays. I also think that short form is great if you can demonstrate things like boxing and establish credibility at the very start. If it's just purely educational, I don't think it would do that well. Also, before creating a TikTok, I'd recommend researching other creators in your niche. Try not to reinvent the wheel at the very beginning. Before I made this, I definitely looked at other boxing coaches and what they were doing and drew inspiration from them. And also, hooks are very important, so use a great hook. So thank you very much for watching. If you want to learn how you can establish a professional social media profile, consider subscribing to this channel for more stuff like this. And myself, my name's Junius. I'm a 5th year medical student in New Zealand. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.